Thank you, everyone. Now, with the power of Supreme, love from the people, and the immense hard work of our children, let's begin our concert.
Hey Dali, we have conferred the blessings from the Almighty, but how can we welcome our esteemed guests of the day?
We have to welcome our guests, right? What better than a welcome dance? The welcome dance symbolizes the joyous beginning of our class concert, setting the perfect tone for the performances that lie ahead. It is a tribute to the spirit of togetherness and unity that we cherish so deeply in our school community.
With every beat, every step, and every movement, our talented dancers are here to welcome you into an evening filled with creativity, talent, and unforgettable memories. So, without further delay, let's give a warm round of applause to our performers who are ready to wow us with their spectacular fusion welcome dance.
2, 1.
ಈಶ್ವರನಾಟ್ಯ ಪೂಜಿತಂ ನಮಾಮಿ ನಮಾಮಿ ಶಂಕರ ಪಾದ ವಂದಿತಂ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳ ನಾದ ತೋಂತನಂ ಪಾದಗಳ ಕುಣಿತಾಧೀತನಂ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ